Alright, good morning, y'all. It is Monday morning, the 1st of October. And I am out here doing my porch. Let's turn the camera. I brought a bag of stuff. Okay, I got the skulls up, the lights hanging, the pumpkins, my big skull. Got my ghost, my happy fall, those over there, and then I got my skull. I got some grave site. Now, my 2 black pumpkins. Put them on the table with the burgundy ones. Spooky. They still working. Just those. Alright, y'all, let me wash my hands. I am hungry. Let me get out of my kitchen. You already know. Whew. I'm hot, y'all. Doing stuff in your house is very, very, very hard. Very hard. I am sweating. Whew. Y'all know I sweat any darn way. Alright, y'all. So this is what dinner is tonight. I didn't feel like cooking. So we had leftover chicken and I just made 2 pizzas. And this is 1 turkey and ham on that side. I just sauteed some peppers and onions. Cut up our tomatoes right there that we grew in the garden and put on there. As you can see, they all over the pizza. And I'm about to put them in the oven and I'll show you the end result when it's finished. Pizza is done. Don't that look good? Let's get a closer look. Look at them tomatoes from out the garden, okay? It looks so good. This is the turkey and 1/2 is ham. This is chicken and the other one is chicken. Is dinner for tonight: chicken pizza, turkey pizza with cheese, onions, peppers, and garlic. Alright, y'all, I got a new package from TikTok I wanted to show you guys. So y'all know I showed y'all my other outfits from Catch Me. This is the brand Catch Me. And honey, this material. Okay. This material. And look at the color. Oh my God. If this not fall, I don't know what is, guys. This. And then the pants. Like what? They real long. The material is so nice and loose. Oh my God, y'all. So today is what? Tuesday. I gotta work today. I'm definitely wearing this to work. show you guys my outfit of the day for work. I bought another Catch Me set. I got it in brown. It fits so good. I got this in a what is it, 3X. That other one was a 4X. I thought it was an extra large, but it wasn't. It was, and this fit way better. Like, it is Tuesday. I got my little necklace on, my everyday watch, and my Guess tennis shoes. It's a beautiful day. It is gorgeous, y'all. It is, what, 69 degrees. Sunny, as you can see. I feel so good. On my way to work. I gotta go to Sam Club this week. I definitely gotta go to Sam Club. And I gotta go to Aldi's. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me.